Developing University Tour mobile app with augmented reality. The methods are mainly script cameras for accessing touchpoints and prefabs for copying objects. We communicate between locations with the APIs. In this way, we show the user that what is happening in the immediate vicinity of his or her location.
Script cameras. The places where the user touches the screen are kept as variable, and then it creates a child using object-oriented pattern. Then the object produced from the API abstract class receives the touched coordinates and communication is provided in this way. AR route. Copies of building materials are created when the application is started. Then if the objects are net rendered in the user visible area, the materials are copied again. If it already exists, the location of that object is updated. The materials of the areas that are not visible on the screen are deleted, and it is tried not to cause any loss of performance. Debug canvas. The script is activated when the user encounters any problem while showing the locations. If there is a problem with rendering, it creates and interests new copies. If there is a problem in the location, it notifies us with an error.
In addition to these, core libraries are used that create the basic functions of the program and allow them to be used. These are the MapBox and ARCore libraries.
MapBox. The MapBox Maps SDK for Unity is a collection of tools for building Unity apps from real map data. It allows Unity developers to interact with MapBox Web Services APIs, including Maps geocoding and Directions APIs, and create game objects through a C#-based API and graphical user interface. ARCore. ARCore is a Google platform for building augmented reality experiences. Using different APIs, ARCore enables your phone to sense its environment, understand the world, and interact with information. Some of the APIs are available across Android and iOS to enable shared AR experiences.
The application has been developed on the Unity platform, and its advantages are mainly that project can be rendered immediately and show the errors, environment can be updated quickly, and assets can be used easily. On the other hand, the disadvantages are mainly it uses too many systems and the system requirement is high, and the MapBox takes up too much space. In order for this developed application to be put into practice as intended, it must have a user interface and be easily used on the phone. This requirement was made through the Unity ARKit plugin library.
ARKit plugin includes ARKit features such as world tracking, path through, camera rendering, horizontal and vertical plane detection and update, encores, point cloud extraction, hit testing API to Unity developer for their AR projects. Conclusion. As a result of this, the application that was aimed to be developed with a camera connection and screenshot of the thesis we took as an example could not be developed. However, a map has been made with the boundaries of Akdeniz University campus, showing 3D images of buildings, structures, and trees within the area, which can be directed from one point to another.
Let's take a look at our application now.